Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You're signed in. Now open Google Calendar on web or the mobile app and show the left panels. Once done, enable the Tasks calendar so new tasks appear alongside events. This links calendar with Google Tasks. Make sure you pick a simple list structure up front. One list per project if you need separation, or one combined list with tags for quick filtering. This is the first actionable step. Toggle tasks visible and create your initial task list so you can start adding items right away. Now add tasks directly from the main Create button or by clicking on a date in the calendar. Choose task rather than event. You'll enter a clear title, pick a due date and optional time, and add details or subtasks to break work into steps. Once complete, attach links or paste notes for context and set reminders so nothing slips. If something repeats, use the repeat option to automate it. These middle steps build the task with enough information to act on it later. Finish by organizing and reviewing. Drag and drop tasks to reschedule, move items between lists, and review the tasks panel or agenda view to confirm everything appears where expected. Once done, color code lists or use prefixes to improve scanning. Make sure sync is enabled on mobile and web so changes persist across devices. If tasks don't show up, first refresh the page or app, then re-enable the tasks calendar in settings. And finally verify you are in the correct Google account. Those steps fix most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.